Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Life and Lessons. I hope you are doing well. So basically, in this video, I'm going to talk about what are the pros and cons of a private college and a government college. What are the differences between a private college and a government college so that you can get a better understanding of everything. Basically, if I talk about myself, then I would say that previously when I was in class 12th or 10th and during that time I didn't have such ideas about colleges. मुझे colleges के बारे में कुछ भी नहीं पता था. And in fact, when I was taking admission in colleges back into 2024, during that time I was like searching about colleges, which college is good and which college is bad, and what are the things to look at while choosing a college. And I just would ask my teachers about their suggestions and their advices. Uh, then I got to know something about college क्या होती है, क्या क्या चीजें we should look into if we are choosing a particular college. But still अभी एक साल कंप्लीट होने के बाद मुझे जो जो चीजें पता चला है about how to choose a college and what are the differences between a private college and a government college, like what are the differences between a university and a college, ये सारी चीजें ना मुझे पहले पता नहीं था. I had a very vague understanding of everything. मुझे पता था कि कॉलेज ऐसी होती है एंड कौन सी कॉलेज अच्छी है या फिर अच्छी नहीं है, ये मुझे पता था. लेकिन like after coming into college and after completing 1 year of my college life, I got to know so many things and I realized so many things that previously nobody told me. First thing, if I talk about the major difference between a private college and a government college is that which course you are planning to study. अगर आपकी कोर्सेस प्रोफेशनल है लाइक बीबीए, बीटेक, मास कम्युनिकेशन एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट, फैशन डिजाइनिंग, ये सारी चीजें, ये सारी ना स्किल बेस्ड या फिर प्रोफेशनल कोर्सेज होती है. तो ये सारी कोर्सेज आपको प्राइवेट कॉलेजेस में ज्यादा अवेलेबल होती है दैन गवर्नमेंट कॉलेजेस एंड दे प्रोवाइड मोर एक्सपोजर टू सो मेनी थिंग्स. If you study these courses in the private college, then I think that it's better for you. And government colleges are good for courses which are general. I mean, honors courses and like honors in different subjects, BSc, BA honors, all these things. Okay, so the first major thing is that choose your course. अगर आपकी कोर्स प्रोफेशनल है देन यू हैव टू लुक आफ्टर प्राइवेट कॉलेजेस. अगर आपकी कोर्स बहुत ही ऑनर्स कोर्स है, एक ऑनर्स कोर्स है, तो यू हैव टू लुक फॉर गवर्नमेंट कॉलेजेस. नाउ at this point of time I feel that most of you have completed with your admissions and all. लेकिन फिर भी you should know this in order to know कि आपको what should be your approach basically. So this is why I'm making this video. क्योंकि प्राइवेट कॉलेजेस की गवर्नमेंट कॉलेजेस की अप्रोचेस डिफरेंट होती है. इसमें जो क्लासेस होती है, द टाइप ऑफ एजुकेशन, द क्वालिटी ऑफ एजुकेशन दे प्रोवाइड एंड द नेचर, द इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर एंड द एनवायरमेंट, एवरीथिंग इज वेरी वेरी डिफरेंट. And depending on you have to understand your college first, and if you are able to understand your college first, then you will it will become a lot more easier for you to know the next steps कि आपको क्या करना चाहिए. Okay, so the first thing that I talked about is courses. So basically, if you, as I say, that if you're planning to pursue any professional course, then private colleges are good for you. If you're planning to pursue honors course, then government colleges are good for you. Come to the next point, which is money. Money is a very, very important factor. Like private colleges, as you know, that they demand a lot money from the students. Okay, in lakhs basically. But government colleges ki, as compared to the private colleges, they have a very minimum amount of fees which they require. Okay, so you know these things. Now this is the next thing which I want to talk about is the campus. Now as you know, the private colleges, they offer a very very good campus life than गवर्नमेंट कॉलेजेस. मुझे ना कैंपस को लेकर बहुत बहुत ड्रीम्स था. आई ऑलवेज वांटेड टू गो टू अ कैंपस विच वुड लुक वेरी अट्रैक्टिव, वेरी big, and it would be like it would be just like the private colleges which are there, but I, as I said that previously, I didn't have any idea कि कौन सी colleges क्या होती है and क्या क्या चीजें होती है इसमें से. तो I thought कि government colleges, private colleges में, like colleges में campuses ऐसी होती है, like if you score good marks then you land up in a place where the campus looks good, and if you score less marks then you will land up in a place where the campus looks bad. Like this is what I thought when I was younger, like 2 years back maybe. But later on, in fact not 2 years back, also 1 year back as well, like I didn't realize कि अच्छी marks आपको मिलेगी तभी on merit basis you will be selected for, you will selected by the government colleges. I didn't used to know that. Okay, this is a very fun fact. Professional courses की बात अलग है, like you have to go and apply to the private colleges only. But for the honors course, I thought that अगर मेरी marks अच्छी है तो I would get an admission into the very very big campus, like in a college which, in which the campus looks very good basically. But later on I realized the, I got the reality check and I realized what exactly the thing is. So yes, as I said that private universities or colleges, they provide extremely good campus life than government colleges. गवर्नमेंट कॉलेजेस की कैंपसेस ना होती है कुछ कुछ जो टॉप रिनाउंड इंस्टीट्यूशंस होती है, लाइक कैलकट यूनिवर्सिटी, जादवपुर यूनिवर्सिटी, प्रेसिडेंसी, ये सारी तो यूनिवर्सिटीज है एंड दे आर वेरी रिनाउंड इंस्टीट्यूशंस, सो दे हैव अ वेरी गुड कैंपस लाइफ. बट द कैंपस लुक्स वेरी गुड. बट द थिंग इज दैट कुछ कुछ कॉलेजेस भी, अफिलिएटेड कॉलेजेस जो अच्छी है, उसमें भी कैंपस अच्छा ही होगा. बट कुछ कुछ जो एवरेज बेसिस का जो कॉलेज होती है उसमें कैंपस उतनी अच्छी नहीं होती है. सो इफ you are like choosing a college, this, if this factor matters to you, then I think that you should consider it beforehand. So the next thing which I'll talk about is the college life. Now college life basically is not determined by the kind of college you're going into, like yeah, it is determined to certain extent, but private college and government college has nothing to do with this thing. Okay, basically college life आपकी अच्छी होगी या फिर अच्छी नहीं होगी, ये आप पर डिपेंडेंट है कि आप कैसे चीज, like the way you perceive things, the way you look at things and the way you want things to be, like it basically depends on you कि आपकी college life कैसी होगी. Okay, so making friends or interacting with people, these are dependent on you and how you approach and how you take things. Okay, so this is not determined. I can't say कि private university में अगर आप जाते हो, private colleges में अगर आप जाते हो तो आपकी college life बहुत ही अच्छी होगी, you will have fun. and अगर आप government colleges में जाती हो तो आपकी college life अच्छी नहीं होगी. This I won't say because this is very subjective. It depends. बहुत सारी लोगों की कॉलेज लाइफ बहुत अच्छी होती है इवन इन गवर्नमेंट कॉलेजेस, एंड बहुत सारे लोग ऐसे हैं जिसकी कॉलेज लाइफ अच्छी नहीं होती है इवन इन प्राइवेट कॉलेजेस. सो यू हैव टू, that is very subjective, so I can't tell that. Now let's talk about the next point, which is the quality of education basically. Now see, in government colleges, one thing which I have seen is that the professors often, mm, they like often cancel classes. Yes, I was forgetting the word cancel. The professors often cancel classes, and classes are very irregular, I would say, in some government colleges. I'm not saying about all of them, but in private universities or private colleges, as I have heard from my friends, basically classes are very, very rarely cancelled. Teachers are very punctual, they come in time, and they like hardly cancel classes. But in government colleges, as you know that that's a government institution, so basically classes cancel hona ya teachers ka absent hona, these are very common things and you have to cope up with that basically. Okay, so private colleges are more like your private schools, like hardly teachers could cancel classes because that's a private institution. But in government, the employees have more freedom and they have more security, so basically and they also have some official works to do most of the time, so they are busy somewhere else, so that's why they often cancel classes. So this is a thing you need to look into. Now coming to the quality of education. See, quality of education would be good in good colleges basically. If you are taking admission into a good private college, then the quality of education provided would be good. But if you are taking admission into a good government college, then the quality of education would be also good. It depends on the kind of colleges you are going into, and private colleges ki mode of education is something somewhat different than the government colleges, and also it depends on the courses. Like English honors या फिर pol science honors, the very theoretical course, and this has nothing to do with the skills or technical things basically. So these are very theoretical and the lectures are like that only. But if you are studying any professional course, then the lectures would be um, uh, that mode of education would be different from this, right? So that depends. And the quality of education, again, it is very subjective. Like for me, something might be very good, but for the other student, that kind of education might not be appropriate. So that depends. General, if I would say, uh, if you are taking admission into good colleges, there would be good professors, and obviously your quality of education would be very good. But if you are taking admission into some mediocre colleges, then obviously the quality of education might not be good. Again, there are exceptions. There are exceptions, and you have to look for everything. So let's talk about the next very important thing, that is the marks. Marks की क्या scene है, percentages की क्या scene है. Now see, basically मुझे जो पता है, मुझे जो idea हुई है, after completing 1 year of my college life, I got to know that कि government colleges की marking schemes are very different than private colleges. Private colleges provide you more marks than the government colleges. Okay, private colleges hardly make you fail, but in government colleges, like obviously the colleges affiliated to the CU, uh, the students get backlogs very often, and it is very common. You will hear from any CU students that the students are getting backlogs and they are uh, told to give sit for the re-examinations and all of that. But in private colleges, hardly you will hear anybody getting backlogs, and even if they do that, generally I think it's a very easier process for them. Okay, so obviously now it depends on the student. Like I'm not saying that everybody fails in government colleges. Obviously, if you study in a good way, at least if you study in a way to acquire your passing marks, then you will be given that. But if somehow you aren't able to do that, then obviously you'll have to face the things. Um, but one thing is very practical, which is that the CU marks distribution is very strict. Like they don't easily give you marks. They will never easily give you marks. Their evaluation, like if you're somebody who has got more than 90% in IST, just keep it in mind, and you are coming to see you, just keep it in mind that marks aapko nahi milegi, and you'll be very disappointed. Like even if you write pages after pages, even if you write quality things, you will also end up getting low marks as compared to your friends who are studying in any private college, because ये आपकी गलती नहीं है. ये आपकी गलती हमेशा नहीं होती है. दिस इज द मार्किंग स्कीम ऑफ द CU, कैलकटा यूनिवर्सिटी, या फिर जो अफिलिएटेड कॉलेजेस एंड या कैलकटा यूनिवर्सिटी की मार्किंग स्कीम ही ऐसी है कि दे गिव यू मार्क्स इन अ वेरी नॉन लीनियंट वे. ओके, तो you will feel disappointed, you will feel disheartened, but just trust me, if you are happy with whatever the efforts you're putting into, then you're good to go. You will not face any problems. But ये जो marks की जो expectation है, ये आपको low रखनी होगी if you are studying in a government college, and especially if you are studying under Calcutta University. बट प्राइवेट कॉलेजेस में मार्क्स डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन बहुत ही अच्छा होता है. लाइक पीपल get marks, and again I'm not saying that if you don't study you will get marks in private colleges. No, you have to study for that. You have to study no matter which college you are in. You have to study for your examination. But the general जो pattern होती है ना marks distribution की, that is what I'm trying to say कि it is different in private universities and in government universities, colleges. So I wish that I have made myself clear and you got to know the differences between what are private colleges and what are government colleges, and what other things you need to look at before choosing a college, and how do they work, the different specs. I have covered everything. So if you feel any doubts or any query, then just ask me in the comment section. Thank you.